मॅम लेफ्ट साईडला
मॅम समोर समोर
सेंटर
इकडे बघा इकडे हां
थैंक यू
बाइट वीडियो बाइट भी ले
यस चलो
ओके रिलेटेड टिप्स क्या देना चाहोगे आजकल की गर्ल्स को आप?
आई थिंक सबसे बड़ी टिप यही देना चाहूँगी कि अगर आप अपने हेल्थ का ध्यान रखोगे ऑटोमेटिकली वो एक्सटर्नली भी रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. सो आई थिंक दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर माइंड बॉडी एंड सोल.
Yeah. What is your skin routine, skincare
My
routine?
skin routine actually recently for the last few years I've really simplified it. Earlier I was somebody who used to like layer things or because I bought everything that I was told. But now it's very easy. I have a deep cleansing routine at night. And then in the morning I actually don't use any kind of a soap or a cleanser because मैं रात को इतने पिक एंड स्पैन करके और इतना ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइज अलग अलग सीरम्स लगा के सोती हूँ दैट इन द मॉर्निंग आई डोंट डू इट. ये मैंने सलमा हाइक हु इज़ अ वेरी नोन एक्टर इन द वेस्ट आई हैड सीन हर इंटरव्यू एंड शी इज़ लाइक फ्रॉम हर आई अडॉप्टेड दिस प्रैक्टिस.
Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you.
अजून कुछ बाकी है?
Anything on the event? Can you all ask like one question about the event? Like she's here today for Beauty Wars.
So I'll ask you. It's better.
अभी बोलो बेटर है.
Tell us about today you are here at the Beauty Wars event. Would you like to share something? Did you love the event?
Well, honestly, this is my mecca because I love all things beauty. मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. There are so many different brands, conversations. It's educational. There are people from different parts that have come together. The venue is super exciting. It's bustling. It's colorful. It's beautiful, and I'm having fun.
Thank you.
I'm very happy to be here at the Amazon Beauty Wars. Okay.
Yes, start.
Do you have a
अब एक बार ले लेना ब्यूटी वर्स का नाम लेके, ठीक है?
Yeah.
यस सर.
I'm Bhumi and I'm very happy to be at the Amazon India's Beauty Bus.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
यस सर. है ना
Brand together.
Let's build a brand together. Where उससे पहले तो काफ़ी टाइम से मेरे दिमाग में ये थॉट थी कि let's build a brand, and I think for me I've always been passionate about skincare, but I think I got really obsessively passionate about it. I would say during COVID, when I hit 30, I was like, oh my God, I really need to take care of my skin, and I really need to get into it. And being an engineer, kind of, when I get into something, I really get into the knowledge and the education part of it, and I started reading, learning about ingredients, trying different products, figuring out what the Indian market felt like, if I could order certain products, the efficacy of them, ordering products even from all of them together in one bottle and simplify my life, and I was like, okay, let's simplify life, everyone's life, and that's when I met Vaishali and the entire team of PEP Technology, and we just met, and I think they were also equally passionate, all engineers. And dark spots is a general concern, especially in India. All Indian skin tones, including mine. I also go through pigmentation, on and off. As much as I do put sunscreen, it's still some sort of a damage ends up happening from all the lights that we have around us. And of course, we all want like juicy, plump, bouncy skin with all the collagen in it. So yeah, this actually is an amazing product. And I also want to say all the dry skin girls would genuinely love it. But people who have oily skin should also not be scared at all. This absorbs in seconds. It does not clog your pores, so it does not have anything which is comedogenic. So yeah, one for all. 2 serums in one, guys. This is hyphenating multiple skin concerns in one.
It's so important to have like the perfect ingredients, because I feel now, like even if I personally go to buy anything, we always check what's inside it. So I think this is really cool, and I think everyone's going to get this now. Vaishali, the next one is for you. Why this category of serum?
So I think I'll first walk you through so the core idea of why Hyphen was born, as Kriti mentioned, that consumers and Kriti herself, we felt that was overwhelmed with a lot of choices which are available in market today. There are 10 serums for 10 concerns, and people are just layering and flooding their skin with those ingredients. And people are facing skin sensitivity issues. People are facing the skin becoming a little bit more oily, and serums or the treatment not penetrating into their skin just because of the layering. And I think consumers were sort of overwhelmed with that particular fact and were looking out for a lot of options which can club the ingredients and put it in one bottle, which can solve for the multiple concerns. But at the same time, what we realized, there are two layers to building a product. One is, I'll talk about from the ingredient lens. One is the active-led ingredients which have come up in the market, your DHAs, BHAs, vitamin Cs. But there are also a lot of naturally derived actives or natural ingredients. A natural form of vitamin C, which can be a cacao plum, a natural form of AHA or a natural neem or a haldi or a turmeric, which is very, very important for the skin. Now when people look at it from a singular lens, which is only active-based ingredients or natural ingredients, they might not find efficacy, or they might not find the balance or the stability or the calming effect on the skin if they're using either of one. So what we realized was that why can't we have multiple ingredients, but both from the best of active world and the best of naturals, put up in one bottle and give it to the consumers for their concern. And that was the core thought of how Hyphen was born. So it's potency of science and balance of nature which brings Hyphen together. Now, there are multiple categories where we have hyphened these small ingredients and brought the best product to the consumer. But when we talk about serums specifically, this particular gap of overwhelming choices was very, very big. And that is where we tried to build serums in two categories. One is treatment and one is enhancement serum. So typically you would use a serum only for treatment, which is your dark spots, acne, or enhancement, which can be brightening or making skin more plumpier or hydrating your skin. Now, we have a lot of serums like an acne serum, which not only heals acne, but also will remove the blemishes of the dark spots or the acne spots. So it would give you two benefits with multiple ingredients. Now that's treatment. What we realize that this particular problem also sits in the enhancement category. People are either getting collagen boosting ingredients or collagen boosting serums, or they're either getting a brightening serums. That is where we thought, why can't we club these two? But those particular formats itself are very different. One is more stable in the oil format and one is more stable in the water format. How can we make a product which can settle into the skin, penetrate into the deeper layers of skin and give a better delivery? And that is where this particular format of serum actually emerged. And we've just launched it 2 days back, and we are eager to see the results of how the consumers. I think that's a tough question, but I think we would be expanding fast, venturing into newer categories. So how the new innovations are adopted by the Indian markets is something I'm really looking forward to. What we've seen, the global markets have a lot of newer formats of innovation or newer formats of products which are slower to Indian markets and not just slow in entry but also in adoption.
So I think in the morning, never ever, whether I'm sitting at home and doing nothing in my bed, and at night I wouldn't skip double cleansing, and I actually also wouldn't skip moisturizing.
You wouldn't skip skincare
Yeah,
at all.
it's like no matter how sleepy and like in zombie mode I am, I would still like take my makeup off completely. And if I'm not in the mood or I'm too tired to kind of go through a routine, I just use a moisturizer. That's it.
Okay, trend do you think is overhyped?
The 10-step Korean routine where, and there's something called skin flooding. Like where you kind of layer like 2-3 toners some 500 times on your skin. Try and do that in Mumbai. Please, I really want them to try it. Try and come to Mumbai and try and do that. It doesn't work, guys. Please don't try.
One skincare myth you want to burst.
Skincare myth. That a higher percentage of an active means a better serum. It doesn't. It depends on the active. And say for example, if it's niacinamide, 3 to 5% of niacinamide is good enough. In fact, if you're putting a lot more than that, you might actually be harming your skin. Sometimes we feel like कि नहीं 20% niacinamide बहुत great है यार ये 12% कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा है. It's not like that. Your skin can't take that much. It's not going to absorb that much also. So you have to go as per the ingredient and see how much is a good efficient amount.
I also feel it depends on where you're staying. Like if you're abroad versus India, it's like fully different on.
Yeah, but I really feel that, in fact, that's how I've been, you know, as consumers, you should sort of Google the ingredients, see how much percentage is a good percentage. Actually, if you Google niacinamide, you'll find that 3 to 5% is the correct amount that's efficient enough. So I personally don't feel that 12% is great.
Right. Active ingredient you are currently obsessed with.
I've always been obsessed with peptides. I think they're just amazing, and they bring this, they kind of help boosting collagen in your own skin. So I feel like peptides are amazing. And yeah, the copper peptide serum is one of my favorites. And I think now this baby is going to become the next one.
Your guilty skincare habit.
Picking on my pimples. I think a lot of girls are going to relate to it because I itch when I get a pimple. I can feel like I'm getting one, and I feel the urge to kind of pop it out. I have zero patience. I'm not able to wait for a week for it to dry and then come out, and also yeah, that I'm guilty of. It's a terrible habit. Every time I do it, my makeup artist is like, "You're going to get a mark." I feel like, "ठीक है, it's going to go."
And it always comes when you have something important.
Oh, always, always. It times itself. Yeah.
Thank you, Kriti. That was amazing.
Thank you so much.
So now we want you to pick 5 people and share the new launch with the audience.
Sure. Oh my God, you're gonna make me pick. That's rude, guys. The other people are gonna really hate me. Okay, the one person who's picked up the hands before you even completed your sentence. What's wrong? Okay, how do I point? 3rd row and the 4th row. Now see, you're gonna make me a villain, na? It's like, how do I pick 5 people out of all these? How do I?
Look center, ma.
I'm look here.
Madam, look center. Madam, some more.
मैडम यहाँ पे
मैम
यहाँ पे नीचे
नीचे मैडम.
यहाँ पे
बस हो गया ना?
Thank you, madam.
थैंक यू मैडम
की मैसेज जो आप आज की जनरेशन को, आज की गर्ल्स को देना चाहोगे?
मेरा ब्यूटी मैसेज ये है कि जितना कम से कम मेकअप यूज करोगे उतने ज़्यादा सुंदर लगोगे. ज़्यादा खड्डे हैं वहाँ आप थोड़ा सा यूज करो. बिना बात के मेकअप मत यूज करो.
Ma'am, one beauty hack you swear by.
One of the beauty
Hack.
What is a hack?
Like a DIY hack.
What is a DIY?
Anything homemade remedies.
Okay, so I have been putting my homemade kajal, the one I put just now. I make it myself. मैंने इंस्टा में उसका बताया भी था कैसे बनाते हैं. And I think that's a very important because your eyes are so important. And so I use that homemade kajal because other things give me allergy sometimes.
What's your go-to look when you're not on camera?
Go-to look is hair tied up, no makeup, shorts and shirt, and that's it.
And what's that one thing that have kept you still this gorgeous in this age, like a secret which you...
I think I have used very less chemicals on my face. In fact, when I bathe, I don't use soap on my body every day because unless I go to shoot or I go somewhere when I have sweat a lot. But unnecessary chemicals I have not used. I have used because of my profession. Like I color my hair. I have to color my hair every now and then. That's why my hair is thinned. So any chemical you use on your skin is going to have a little bad effect. So you should use it sparingly. You should use it if you need it. Because sometimes I feel when you feel that you are looking good, you get confidence about yourself. So yeah, use as less as possible.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much. Thank you.